is windy today. It's just ahead of the long weekend here in Canada, 2026. Just going to bop out on the, what is this one? Epinette Creek Trail. No one else at the trailhead, but I am not surprised. Look at the dust out there. Anyways, winds today are about 50 kilometers an hour, gusting to 90. Expect to see a lot of trees down on the trail. Definitely watch where we camp. Tree number 3. This one might be a little more difficult to navigate around. Might have to pull off to the side. Looks like it's still got some greenery on it, maybe. Ooh. Looks like a big stump over there. A couple down. Alright. Yeah, this is a green one. Still got some greenery to it. Alright. Absolutely unrelenting wind this weekend. Crazy, crazy winds. Epinette Creek, May 2026.